it's good to wear the mind down. In your working with Brendan on this EMB stuff, you have too much time to breathe. See, so you take these individual things, and you have time to dwell on them, which is good. But you also have time to recoup and to defend yourself, your mind, your intellect to defend itself, basically. Find a way to deal with it and stuff like that. In a workshop, it's harder to do because it just keeps coming at you, it keeps coming at you, it keeps coming at you. And while you're trying to grasp something and something else is, you're hit with something else. And more so in the old days, I would deliberately overload people, especially in the first couple of days, of a week long or a 4-day, whatever. And by the end of, in the original form, the EMB was done in 4 days. The first 2 days were so chock full of stuff, that people, their minds would be totally worn out trying to follow it. This was useful. See, it was useful. Purpose. Because then it helps them open up and hear. Helps get the mind out of the way. So it's useful to do. And like if you're a question, like what's his name was saying, that you have to exhaust everything. You can't, have any holdouts. You can't have something like, oh yeah, I just conclude that domain is no longer valid. Yeah, no, that's a conclusion. You try that domain until it's exhausted, whatever that is, until you're absolutely convinced, not just as a conclusion, because you went there. You searched out whatever, every emotion. You searched in a swamp of assumptions and beliefs. You spent time, worked really hard to figure it out. Until finally, there is no figuring it out. There is no assumption of beliefs. There is no whatever you say. That's part of the gig.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.